here today with Frank Drynan, owner and chief operator pilot of Keyland Air Services. Frank, would you be able to just give us a quick overview of what you do, and then moving into what the potential risks are for pilots around power lines?
Yeah, so here at Keyland we're a aerial ag and water bombing company, and we do primarily crop spraying for farmers, where we do aerial applications onto crops for crop protection. One of the hazards we have is power lines. Power lines run through agricultural paddocks, and they're one of our major hazards for aircraft and also mission pilots that we find.
And what can go wrong in this situation with aircraft and power lines?
Mainly, if the aircraft strikes a power line, then it could be fatal, and has been in the past. It's a great risk, and at the very least, a very expensive exercise, as well as disruption to the power network.
Okay, we're talking today because Balmoral Engineering has invented and now selling a new design power line warning marker. It's a 3D rotating device that gives a lot of visual access to the power lines. Would you be able to just give us a review of that product and what it means for the power line safety and the risks that it poses while highlighting those power lines?
Yeah, well, any power line marker is better than nothing. Power lines are very difficult to see by their very nature. The trials we did today certainly established that the rotating marker, the Balmoral rotating marker, is far superior than the other markers that are out there. Certainly much better than the panels, and the red and white rotating marker, because of the movement that it has under the power line, gives excellent visual depth to the marker, and also the ability to see the marker depending on light conditions from anywhere from 500 metres out to over 1.5 kilometres, which is excellent. It's a leap ahead in safety for the industry if we can get more of these markers out there.
Okay, well, thanks very much for your time today, Frank. Appreciate it.
Right, thanks, Chris.